This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have both files saved. Now begin by selecting the exact Excel range or chart you intend to link. Once selected, copy it with Ctrl+C or Home Copy so the data is on the clipboard. Make sure the Excel file stays in its saved location. Word will reference that path. You do this because linking preserves a live connection, meaning updates in Excel can flow into Word. So start with precise selection and a stable file path to avoid broken links later. With your cursor placed in Word, use Paste Special and choose Paste Link to insert the Excel selection as a linked object. Once done, pick the appropriate format, link as an Excel worksheet object to retain formula behavior or as formatted text for static layout with updates. Make sure to check link to file so changes in Excel propagate automatically. You do this because the link type controls whether you can double-click to edit in Excel or simply refresh. Save both documents and then test the connection. Change a cell in Excel, return to Word and update links to confirm the new value appears. If links do not update automatically, use File Info Edit Links or right-click the linked object and choose Update Link. Make sure files remain in their original folder or use Change Source to point Word to the new Excel location. If the link breaks, relinking restores live updates. This is the key troubleshooting step to fix broken references.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.